Well, hello, Dam National Pickling Cucumber. Nice to see you up. Lisboa hybrid cucumber is up. National Pickling, a couple of them are up. And my beets are up, along with my misty peas that are gonna climb up the fence there. And do I have any beets? Yep, the beets are growing. And my Gusto Italia green beans, my Kentucky Wonder yellow beans, beets in front, my sugar snap pole peas are doing good. They're starting to climb already. Look at them grab onto that fence. And in front, I have beets again. So on this side, there's Neptune carrots are all up, surrounded by garlic. On this side is supposed to be purple haze carrots. Maybe the odd one, but not many. In the one freezer, I have long-standing Bloomsdale spinach. It seems to be up. Hopefully it fills in nicer than that. And on this freezer, we have calendullas on one side and oregano on the other. Well, the calendullas are up. Oregano, where are you?